Hello everyone, my name is Gissel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Kiara Sky dip system. I got the French kit because I personally love neutrals. The other system had red and gold, and I don't really like red on my skin tone, so I got what I thought would be best for me.
It comes with the essentials, which is Bond, Base, Seal Protect, Top, Nourish Oil, and Brush Saver. Then it comes with Pure White, Natural, Light Pink, Medium Pink, and Dark Pink. And no, I did not do my nails. I wanted to get this video out first before I started using the system, so that way everything can be fresh for you guys. Anyways, so it comes with this. It also comes with a dip system. This was the box that it came in. And yeah, so the recycling system is you just basically put a powder in here. You take the tray, there's another tray in there. You put your finger, you go like this. You can put the tray right back in, and then the other tray should have the powder still in it, and it just recycles it. And that's why it's called the recycling system. This is great for clear dip powder, so you don't contaminate it with another color. So like, it also includes a color of your choice. I chose peachin. I know it seems like I have a lot of pink, but peach is like coral. And it's nice, and I think it's a nice summertime color. They definitely have a lot of options. They have, and then it came with 2 petty packs. So the petty packs come like this, and I got Mint to Be Cool and wait, sorry, I think I'm saying that wrong. Mermazing Escape. I kept saying mesmerizing. I don't know why, but it's Mermazing Escape. And this comes with a Petty Balm, a Scrub Dub, Masquerade, and a Lotion Potion, which is great. And all of this is $125. Technically $124.99, but round it up. And I think this is honestly perfect. So moving on to the e-file. The e-file comes like this. I cannot get this all on screen, and I'm very, very sorry. But I will not be keeping the box regardless. The box is magnetic, which is nice if you want to keep it, but I will not. And in the box comes, let me just open this. Put this here. It comes the not motor, but the monitor, and then a stand and a charger. Let me take these out one by one. So you have the monitor, and it's really nice. This isn't hollow, like you can't stick your nail in it. It's just clear. It comes with this, the charging port, Kiara Sky, professional nails, which is nice. And then you have this thing, which I will explain in a bit. Then you have this part, which is to turn on. Hear the click, then you hear the click again. So this is for forward and reverse, and then you put your drill bit in here. And yeah, this turns on like this, and it lights up, which I think is so cute because it also lights up the KS. I'll just charge it before I use it. So yeah, I think it's cool. So we got this. I'm gonna move the box a little bit. So we got this. Oh, and it also came in this nice bubble wrap in heart shape, which I thought was so cute. Anyways, so then this drill does come with a protective thing. I just took it out for the sake of the video. It comes with this, like, wrapped in that. And yeah, so it has the KS. This isn't a matte, and I wouldn't say it's a gloss finish, but it's nice. It's nice to feel. It's heavy. And then it has the normal lock and unlock and the click. 1, 2. So that's great. Then it comes with this bit. And then I saw a lot of YouTubers, well, not YouTubers, but YouTube nail people, sorry, that they said that this is really important to not get dust inside your drill. I'm not a professional nail technician, just so you guys know. So I YouTubed a lot of videos. I will definitely leave them all linked down below that I thought were very helpful for me. But yeah, when they were describing this band, I honestly thought it was gonna feel like a rubber band, just tiny. And this does not feel like a rubber band. It's plastic and it's hard, and yeah, I don't think it'll ever break like an actual rubber band. Yeah, I love it. And by the way, the extension is very long, so that's perfect for people that actually will use this as a portable drill. I will most likely be using it at home on myself, on my mom, maybe a friend or two, you know, when I get comfortable with it. Honestly, I'm not going to practice on anyone else but myself until I feel ready, because I don't want to hurt anybody. And I've been hurt by a nail technician before. Not like emotionally, like I just made it sound, but just I've been like, you know, they cut me by accident and whatever. It's not a big deal. It happens. So then they have a stand. You have it like that. I think it's cute. And it's not hard. Like you can bend it, but this is like a really, really hard silicone. And it doesn't feel like how I imagined it would feel. It has a KS right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it does not make a sound. Feels just like rubber. So I'm gonna put it like that, nice and cute. We'll definitely probably use that. Then you have the stand for your drill. So I don't know if it's like this or like this. I'll figure it out eventually. And this is also like silicone rubber. I think these two, if they were to fall, hopefully not this, but I think if these two were to fall, like they're definitely not gonna crack. They're bulletproof. I don't know about that. Don't quote me. But this one you can actually hear it. But I assume because it's hollow. So yes. Then it comes with 2 drill bits. So this one's the fine drill bit, and it comes with like a little crystal. And yeah, I think it's cute. Put that back in there. And then you have a mandrel bit. I hope I'm saying it right. All these YouTubers and their helpful words and advice and all that. I hope I can do my best. Anyways, crystal, mandrel bit. You need sanding bands for this. I bought sanding bands on Amazon, and I will show you guys in a bit. And then this goes on the side. I actually figured it out. You actually have to take out this plastic stuff, and this T goes with this T, and then you just kind of like that and bring it down, and it should fit. I am most likely not going to use this. This is where your drill will sit, right next to it. But I most likely won't use it. Like I said, I'm going to be home using this. I will not be on the go. I am not a professional. I do not need to do that. And then you have the charger. Oh. You have the charger. So it's great. It's nice. White. A few days later, I realized that they restocked on their brush. So I got 2. Mainly, I got 2 because I was going to have to pay for shipping since my order was not that big. So I was like, might as well get 2, get my money's worth. And, oh, by the way, the drill is $349.99, I believe. Yes. So $350 in total. So it's pricey, but I wanted something that's going to last, something that's worth the money. Okay, so then I got the brushes, and this is really nice. It feels like a basic powder bronzer brush, I would say. And I thought the crystals move, but they don't. They make a little sound. Like, I'm not sure if you can hear it, but yeah. I think it's super cute, super nice, soft. Okay, so I have a brush that looks kind of exactly like it, and it's my Tarte brush. This is from a holiday collection. They're almost about the same size. It's more domed out than the other one, but it's just as fluffy. I was thinking about using this before buying this, but I didn't want to mess up a makeup brush with the nail brush. Plus, I wanted brushes for its own.
So I also bought some sanding bands from Amazon, and I got them Makartt. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it's 300 pieces, and it comes 100 in each.
Coarse, medium, and fine. And the coarse one is 80 grit. The medium one is 150, and then the fine one is 240, which is almost like a buffing bit, a little bit, not too much. But yeah, and it also comes with a mandrel bit. So if I didn't get the mandrel bit from the Kiara Sky, I would have gotten it with this. They say the mandrel bit is very universal, so it helps. I got drill bits as well. I will link everything down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about, see your options, you know. And yeah, these are drill bits. They're ceramic and carbide. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but yeah. So you got all of these. I believe it's like 6, and then this brush so that you can clean these drill bits. And then these have, I originally bought this one specifically because of this. Like I said, a lot of people not a lot of people, but like some YouTubers were saying that this is like really important to not get dust on your drill bit or drill or motor thingy. And yeah, originally they were like all the way up here, and I was freaking out because I thought they didn't come out. But I just like used my natural nail to like push them out. They're very tough. Like I said, they're plastic. They're not rubber band. They didn't move as easily as I thought they would. But I'm glad that this came with at least 4 of them. So that's nice. Fine. I also got this on Amazon, and this is mainly like essentials for nails, I guess. So it comes with 150 nail lint-free wipes, a nail brush. It's clean. It comes with this, so once you use your little clippies, I got clear. I saw that there was a lot of pink and purple ones, but I don't like purple. And then I saw clear, so I was like, ooh, I want to get clear because it'll match. And yeah, so you just go like this. Oh my god, my nails are dirty. Anyways, sorry. Yeah, you just remove after you've soaked them. Super easy. Came with this tool. Then it comes with a buffing file. So this is 400 and 4000. This works. I've used this recently and it really leaves a nice shine. And then there's this one that's 100 grit and then 180 grit. And honestly, I know I have the e-file, but I will not be e-filing on my natural nail anytime soon until I get comfortable with actually just doing it on actual product. Only because I want to take things slow. I want to educate myself on how to do things properly. And a lot of the videos that I've seen with actual nail professionals, they say that if you're going to be practicing with an e-file, you would want to practice on product first and not your actual nail, natural nail. So I will most likely be using this nail file to rough up my natural nail before I put dip powder, because that is what is required before you put dip powder. By the way, I forgot to mention, I don't remember if I did, that this has a forward and reverse. They say that for left-handed people, they will use reverse because for a forward person, sorry, not a forward person, but like a person that's a right-handed, they would use forward because they go from right to left, and then a left-handed person would go in reverse from left to right. And I think having this is perfect for somebody that's obviously like me, starting new, and is going to use their non-dominant hand to do their dominant hand. And that's great practice. Imagine if I would have got a drill and it's only in forward, and then how am I going to do my right hand? It's going to look wonky and it's going to take me time, and I'm going to have to learn a whole new process. But yeah, I just thought I would mention that as well. I like that it has that. And anytime that you're going to switch this, I also heard that you have to turn this off and then switch it. If not, then you'll mess up the system.
The dip powder nails sure work great for 2 to 3 weeks or more, depending on how you prepare them. For me, I think 2 weeks is gonna be fine because I'm still learning and my nail prep is still not A plus plus. So if you can get it 3 weeks and more, that's awesome.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see everyone soon.